Hey everyone! Welcome back to Everyday English and Beyond. Have you been learning English for months or even years, but you still feel stuck? You're not alone. Today, I'll share the top reasons why you're not improving in English and, more importantly, how to fix it. Let's get started. Mistake: watching videos, reading books, and listening to English without actually speaking or writing. Fix: start practicing every day. Try this. Speak to yourself in English. Join a language exchange group. Record yourself and compare with native speakers. Mistake: thinking in your native language before speaking in English. Fix: train your brain to think in English. Try this. Name objects around you in English. Describe what you're doing in English. Watch movies with English subtitles. Mistake: waiting until you're perfect before speaking. Fix: make mistakes and learn from them. Tip: even native speakers make mistakes. What matters is confidence. Mistake: studying once a week and expecting results. Fix: daily practice. Even 10 minutes a day is better than nothing. Monday: listen to a podcast. Tuesday: watch an English video. Wednesday: write a short journal entry. Thursday: practice speaking aloud. Now you know why you might not be improving and how to fix it. Which mistake have you been making? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.